Hello everyone, this is Kat, and I am going to have a kiln opening this morning. If I look tired, I am. I've worked all night long, still in my scrubs. I've been up since pretty much 11:40 yesterday morning, and we were somewhere around 8:15 this morning now. So it's been a long day. But anyway, I'm too excited. So I need to open this up. I am kind of nervous about the results because I was watching too much Pottery Crafters and I saw her going crazy with her glazes, and I have some glazes, brush on glazes, and I thought that's what this kiln load is going to be about. And I also have a couple items from one of my friends in here from the last kiln opening. Anyway, so you're going to see as I see, and I'll kind of go over, if I can remember right now, so tired, what I had put on them. All right. Okay, so first things first. A little toasty still. I have a Dusky Rose, 3 coats from Coyote. Yep, backside didn't look so great. I put silica on the shelf because I was trying to see if it made a difference on cracking or not, but it's pretty. It's something I like. Okay. Take this. Okay. So this, it's a bit warm still. This is my friend's piece that she had made. See if you can see it good. Turned out beautiful. So here's this. Cone 6, nope. 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't know why. Anyway, so there's that. This is my piece. I used blue hydrangea on this. Multiple coats. Didn't it turn out pretty? My friend Murray given me the stamps to make this with. This is 3 coats of oh my goodness, cosmic tea dust. Can you see? Pretty, pretty, pretty. I didn't do anything else, just the cosmic tea dust. Okay, these are my friend's pieces, and this is a refire because the glaze melted. Well, guess what? It melted again. I'm sorry, I'm trying so hard to get this to go right. We may just have to sand this down and just go with it. I was trying my best to make it smoother, but these are her jewelry pieces. mosquitoes are eating me alive. Okay. And this is another one of her pieces, which I find exquisite. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so here is my French toast soaker dish. I made it a nice sunny yellow with white on top, around the top of it. Have my little mushroom there. I did something I haven't done before. I used the wax resist. I painted the mushroom, put a wax resist on top of it, and then I glazed around it so that it wouldn't get all over my mushroom. And it turned out pretty okay. And I think I'm pretty certain my piece of bread will fit in there really nicely. Look at that. French toast soaker dish. Get these. Okay. So this is my cat dish. Finally finished my cat dish for my tour de fleece. This is Snickers. Right here, Snickers. And over here really lightly, you can't really see her, is caramel. I did a mixture of blue hydrangea and celadon bloom on this one. So I put a lot of coats on it too. You can see the blooms even on the bottom. So I did like 3 coats of celadon bloom, and then on this one coat of blue hydrangea. I'm happy with that piece. Now we're going to get down to where I am nervous. I have 2 planters in here that I have slathered. I have slathered that glaze on. What does it look like? I'm going to see if I can move this a little bit more down in here so we can see at the same time. What's it going to look like? Should I just go ahead and go to bed now and just leave it standing? Nope, not happening. I'm afraid to look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, this is my friend's piece that she had made that I couldn't fit in my last kiln load firing. It turned out beautiful. Look at that. This is where I went all crazy with the glaze. So I'm still not going to pull those up yet, but little pieces, little trinket dishes. These are blue hydrangea. Mako. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. These are 2 small pieces of mine with cosmic tea dust on it. You know how I've really enjoyed my planters. I just love the heck out of them. This I'm gonna have to pull you up a little bit to really get a feel for this. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I am so happy. Oh my gosh, that turned out so good. Look at it. I did, and on the inside too, I did fuchsia underneath, 3 layers of fuchsia, with coyote fuchsia. This, I did that wax resist again. This is hot tamale from Mako. I coated it with a clear, or stroke and coat, hot tamale stroke and coat. I coated it with clear. This is an underglaze pine underglaze. Then I put a clear on top of it, did the wax resist, and then I put several layers of blue hydrangea on top. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, here's the next one. This one is, I made mostly with Dusty Rose. See inside? This is Dusty Rose, and then on the outside I used underglazes and painted the flowers and the little mushroom. Have my little snail going on here. This reminds me of a, oh, what is the Alice in Wonderland? This kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. But look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. May not be everybody's cup of tea, but it is my cup of tea. Love it. Okay, we're going to get into this last. We're going to go into the last one now. What's going to go down there? I can't even remember what I have down there anymore. I've got to get my, oh, I almost snagged myself up the scrubs. Let me get my step here. Trying to get myself stable. Thank goodness for advancer kiln shelves. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. So, here's this. Look at that. I'm going to have to do something about the top. Anyway. So, that's like a cone 8. Or a cone 7. It's a cone 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, these are my friend's pieces. She does such a beautiful job. have to keep looking at my planters because that made me so happy. Okay, have to get on my step again. Now, this is the Celadon Bloom, and this is Blooper's Little Prince. My 15-pound cat. He's 7 years old. Turned out pretty. Here's a piece I made. These are Mako stoneware glazes. I had, a bunch of stuff on here, but mostly blue hydrangea, and then this is night moth on the rim. Multiple layers. I did blue hydrangea, like 3 layers underneath on the whole thing, then several layers of night moth around the edges. And then night moth is on the back. It turned out pretty, and it shows through the design. You can see the design in it. And then here's my last piece. I like the freeform stuff. I'm not too much into, but here's my last little thing. I don't even know what to call it. It has cosmic tea dust on the bottom. I put 3 layers of cosmic tea dust, and then I put multiple layers of blue hydrangea on top, and then I put in the center again more tea dust, 1 layer more of tea dust. Look at those colors. You know what? I think it actually night moth. Yeah, it was 3 layers of cosmic tea dust, night moth. Then in the middle I put tea dust again. But look at the outside. Look at the edges. Pottery Crafters inspired me, Marie. Decided to just go for it all. It looks beautiful, I think. Anyway. Okay. Ugh. So, I am going to, if I can get this up here where you can see me. Maybe not, maybe. Okay, I'll come down to you. I'm going to go to bed now. And I'm just super excited about my planters. I never thought that they would come out so beautifully. Sometimes less is more, and sometimes more is best. And I figured with the shape that I had those, I could put more on and it'd just be like a catcher at the bottom. And I didn't even need it. They turned out beautiful to me. Could have gone so wrong, but it was so right. Anyway, thank you so much everybody for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.